Good day, guys. Let me show you how to separate screen with just your blower and separating wire. As you can see, it's very easy. This is the first layer. You need to remove the glass. Then the second layer, you will remove the nylon that is on top of the screen. So just watch carefully. You will see how I'm doing it. It's very easy. Just take your time and do it. Don't rush. Take your time. Why I'm making this video fast is because I want to post it as reels. So that's why I'm making it fast. So just watch carefully. Watch carefully. Watch carefully how I'm separating it. You will see it very, very clean. Very, very clean. If you watch carefully, you will learn and you will know how to separate screen. Any type of phone, you can separate it. And it will not even look as if they have separated the screen before. It's very clean. Just watch carefully. Guys, like this video, share this video, comment, follow this page for more videos. We are going to be dropping videos every day on this page. Follow this page. Don't forget to save this video so that you can use the video for your work. Just watch carefully. Watch carefully. It is a gradual process. It's something you take your time to do. You don't rush it. Just take your time to do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. We are almost done. We are almost done. Just watch carefully. We are almost done. We are almost done. Almost done. Okay. We are almost done. Yeah, as you can see, we are done. We are done now. We have finished separating the screen now. But this is the first layer. And that's the glass. That's the strongest one. Need to remove this one first. Some phones have only one layer, but this one has two. So after separating the first glass, you need to separate the nylon. You need to remove this rubber from the screen. Then that's all. Just watch carefully. You will see how I'm removing it. No scratch, nothing. The phone is still, the screen is still clean. As you can see, just watch. Watch. It's a gradual process. Okay. Watch carefully. Okay. Let's go. I'm almost done. Let's go. Like, share, and comment. Let's go. Any problem you have, just comment on the comment section. Let me know. I'll fix it. Or send me a DM direct to my account. Guys, have you seen it? Looks so fresh and clean. See you in my next video.